Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add magic effect on VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, open your VivaVideo apps, and after this you can add the video that you want to edit. And now if you want to add a magic effect, so you just click on the all effect at the bottom, click on it, and in here you can click on the style. And after this, in here you can see a magic effect, so you just click on it. And then now in here you can see the magic effect 1 until 5. You can choose the magic effect that you like. I wanna try to, or I wanna show you, this is the magic effect 1. And then this is the magic effect 2, and the last, this is a magic 3. But in here I wanna try to add for 1, so you just click on the 1, and after this you can click a down in here and finish. So that's how to add a magic effect on a VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.